Hi guys, let's play MM2 but English version.
English speak.
English speaking version.
And the word.
Uh,
So hi guys, today I'm gonna play
so
MM2.
so I'm gonna do like the different and like
Nasa ka mag-post ano ako sa
different language, and I'm gonna do Chinese because I love Chinese. But how to invert this?
So hi guys, today I'm gonna play MM2, but I have a challenge today. Like the word is gonna be like I don't know what I'm gonna be.
No.
I'm gonna do a Chinese today. What? Oh, huh?
So I'm innocent.
Okay, I'm innocent.
Hello, hi.
I don't know what is that, but okay.
Sure.
Oh my god.
It's the green. It's Shinshu Lao Lao
Where's the gun?
Shishu.
Someone to find the gun.
What the?
Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Oh my god! She found me. She found me. Okay guys, I'm gonna read something.
Look at this.
Huh? I don't know how to read that. But let's just spectate it then.
Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back and he's alive. And if he's alive,
She died.
She has a spectator, I think. Girl, get the gun.
Okay, she got the gun.
She gets the gun.
So guys, I'm gonna read this night like this.
Oh,
And
I'm gonna change I'm gonna change to French. Like,
so this is weapon. And
what?
power.
One tie.
Set. Emotes and I don't know what is that. Bomba.
Oh, tie. I'm gonna do tie. Wait, Arabic. What the?
Come on and tell me what you have done. Anybody ocean. Chinese mo nang libuhat sa mga Thai. I'm gonna do a
Nah, I don't like the Arabic. I'm gonna do Chinese.
So let's just load a map and I could read that. Like here's an example. Baila. Police station and this is the also street I think.
一二上货。还这个呢？
Come on. I don't know
One,
what
two,
it
three,
is.
four. 一二上货是。
I'm innocent.
I got innocent! Wow!
The green is innocent. I know it.
But how?
Ano kabas kasabot man ka na.
Alam, kaburo naman may sa kunan di mga
Kabalo magkugamay Chinese. Uy, unsa di pag inverted?
lisod kayo eh.
Unsa
So let's go. I don't know how to invert it, but ito na yun. So, are you innocent?
Yes. But
Cheese. Oh my god. He's shooting. He's shooting. I don't know what he's shooting, but I think about. Can you kill him? Can you kill him?
wait. Who is the guy shooting?
Guy, girl.
Oh.
I don't know who he's shooting, but I guess he's shooting the murder. But I don't know where the murder.
Te, ato diri sa sulod ko. Ito sa plate lang.
I know that. Hindi,
Oh.
magkabalo anak mo. Okay,
But wait.
someone just got dead. na siya. Did you get the gun?
No, I didn't get a gun.
This is the I don't understand. I don't know how.
What? Who is the bird? Oh, I know it.
Oh, kablo ka na.
And let's.
So let's go to map. Next map.
I don't understand this. I don't understand this.
I'm just gonna dance.
How to? I'm just gonna sit here. Wait, can you dance?
Hey. Ah, this guy interrupted me. Look at my level, guys.
Look at my level.
Look at my level. 6, 7.
It's 79. Why I'm so unlucky at this
Mine
game?
is green.
Sakit pa niya pero dalungan ke?
Di lang kadungog.
Di na kadungog?
Ate, are you
Ay,
mute?
dili lang ako kasuan. Dili kayo ko kadungog.
Okay,
Eh.
what's the
Si,
murder?
kanina nga din, magpapagahan na natin.
Te,
Yeah.
te. Oh, kadungog pa mo dito.
The murder. No, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Who killed
Yeah,
me?
if you are friendly, don't kill me.
Who's killing me?
Who's the murder? Who's the murder?
It's Salamara.
Ayaw kay ma-push siya.
Di, yan na lang itabong sa lunggan, dili kay pasulog.
The bird!
Awan sa, anak.
That is the bird!
Baby.
Get out! That is the
Where's the
bird.
gun?
The girl is the bird. The girl.
Where? That? Where? That's a who?
Siguro sa tanawa.
Who, Matt? Who?
It's the pink
This
weapon.
is.
Yeah, his knife is pink.
Pag-alarm mo galas 12.
That? Where's the gun? Okay, she's coming upstairs. Wow, she's coming upstairs. That's him? Oh my god. It's him.
Yes, it's the girl. Yes. Of course.
Oh my god, I'm finding the gun.
Okay. Oh. Victoria.
Like a minute ago. Okay, look guys. The sheriff will save the day.
The sheriff saved the
And
day.
let's just wait on. So I'm gonna
No.
mansion tour because it has a link. Let's just dance.
How to dance?
/ e-dance. My feet is cute. But his feet is Cocomelon. So as we're done, I'm not innocent. I memorized this everything. Everything is here. I memorized it. So,
I found the bird.
what was the murder?
I found the bird. Oh. Bro, the bird is targeting me.
Where's the murder?
Like it's the pink hair girl. He's a targeter. She's a targeter, I mean. Bro, she deserved. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna
No. My baby squishy. So he has a lot. My cousin has some squishy.
I'm gonna get my Dubai squishy.
I'm gonna get
This
this.
is my
She has a pink. Has a pink Oreo. Where's your pink Oreo? She has
I
an Oreo.
didn't make it. Whoa! No. Wait, just take one sugar.
The right thing, Innocent. She's a murderer. My cousin is a murderer. Cause it's red.
Guys, I got my fave roll.
Favorite roll.
Yeah.
We don't. Guys, we don't rage bait. Yeah, we don't.
No,
rage bait.
that's not true. Wait, I'm gonna kill everyone.
I don't rage bait, guys. Someone is meaning.
Come here,
Oh
girl.
my god.
It's not Vincent.
Where's the gun?
Hi. Hello. But wait, Sarah. Bro, stop ankling. Wait, you're not there. Bro, get the gun. No, get to the other side.
Baby, kill me, guys.
I'm giving, guys, I'm giving.
No, he's
But
trying to team with me.
no, I'm not trying to.
No, Papa. Trying to team with me.
No,
No,
I just wanna get.
1, 2, 3.
I know you're
Guys,
here.
I'm really tempted to go to the cinema.
Wait,
So I can tell her that.
where is the girl?
Someone is here. No one is here. Oh my god, he's not coming in here. He's not coming, guys. This is it. Someone is here, we can.
Bacon.
Okay, guys, I'm waiting for him to go in here. There's a beacon right here too. I don't know what. Oh my god. No, he's here. Yeah, he's here. How did she climb this up?
But I won.
We're not down. The innocent won.
Whoa. Hello. Hello. Can I have some weapons? Wait, guys, I'm gonna ASMR with my spaceship.
Where do you post that?
I'm gonna post this to my new account. I'm gonna make a new account. Look,
Can you give me a innocent? Another day, another bad luck.
wait, Mini. Hear this. You hear that? It's a squishy.
Oh! Oh my god! So I'm gonna go bye-bye myself.
So guys, bye guys. Love you.